Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can verify your identity on Google Adsense. In order to verify your identity on Google Adsense, all you need to do is first of all, open up a browser and then on the web address bar type in adsense.com. That's going to direct you to the home page. Now if you're not logged in with your Google account, that's going to direct you to the home page. So in order to log in, now to begin with, in the left hand side bar you can see multiple options. Slightly scroll down a bit and go to payment section. First of all, you'll have to enter in the payment info, then you can begin with the verification process. So go ahead and tap on payment info. On the other half, you'll be able to see the page where you can actually add a payment method. So you can either link your bank account, credit card, whatsoever, and once you're done confirming it, you'll be able to see interface as successfully added a payment method. Once you're done, move on with the step number 2, where you can actually go ahead and tap on verification checked. So here you need to confirm your personal details to get your account ready to receive a payment or to verify. For the verification, you'll be asked to provide or provide in the government ID, maybe driving license or a passport whatsoever, and your contact information, your personal details, all that, and only then you'll be able to verify your identity on Google AdSense. So in that way, you can verify your identity on Google AdSense. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.